Hi guys, welcome. What I'm actually going to take you through today is how to upload, say, a blog post or an article into one of your newsletters. And to do this, I'm actually going to use one of our previously made newsletters as an example. So the way that we actually send out our newsletters is we will send out 4 articles, so 3 curated and 1 of our own blog posts within a newsletter. As you can see here, here's the first one, second, third, and the 4th. I've actually gone ahead and completed these bottom 3 articles. So by completed, I mean I've set up lists, I've done trackable links, and I've inserted everything, so they're ready to go. However, for this top one here, I'm going to take you guys through everything on how I do this, so you can actually move forward and use this for your own newsletters if you like. Now, the first thing that I want you guys to do is actually create a list. So I've gone ahead and already done that. If you guys haven't done that, hit the green button up the top here and create a list. Now the next thing that I do is I'll head across, copy the blog posts that you actually want to use. So this blog post, we actually want to put this in the newsletter. So we take this URL here, and then we head to trackable links. So I'll go ahead. When you head to trackable links, it's just under tracking, trackable links, and then you'll land to a page here which says create a new readable link. So I'll paste that URL that I have now just gone ahead and copied into the target URL field. And the URL will come up here. And you can see down the bottom here, it says new URL. This will be the redirect link that you'll actually create. Now this page title, this is where we can actually title our new URL. So I will call this the world of complex solution selling. It is advisable that you call it something similar to what the blog post actually is about. Now we head here and select create redirect tracker. So now that URL from this blog post has now been created into a redirect link. So we can track all of your auto contacts that actually click through that into another blog post. So now I head all the way down to the bottom and you'll find this new URL right here. So copy that. Head back here to your actual blog post that you have here, and then we'll actually right click, I think is the easiest, and head to link. I will then overcopy this top one across here. Can be a little bit fidgety sometimes to get this right because you don't want to delete the tracking scripts, and I'll paste this new URL there and hit OK. Now if we do this again and have a look at the link, you'll see that the link is there and we have kept all of this tracking that we've kept there. If you aren't interested in actually tracking this, that's fine, but we like to put in these UTM sources as well as the auto link there. And then I'll just paste this into the title. Okay, now before I actually paste this into the image, this isn't the image that I want to use. We want to use the image which is similar or the same one that is in the blog post. So we head here, select this, right click once again, select image, then we'll hit this little folder with the magnifying glass there. We'll select upload. Here's the picture that I want to use ready to go. I'll overwrite that one and then I can insert it. Based on this template, it needs to be set at 600 pixels wide. And then it is advisable to set the width at auto, because if a recipient of your newsletter is actually receiving this and they don't automatically download images, you're going to end up with a lot of blank white space there. So whereas if it's actually set to auto, they will automatically collapse. Select OK. So now you can see we've added the image in, the links are done, so we'll go ahead and do the link for the image as well now. Double click, paste it in, hit OK. Then I'll head up to the top right hand corner here and select save. Thanks for watching guys. The next video I'll take you through how to actually set a newsletter for sending.